There comes a time in every trader's journey when you just sit back and stare at your screen and whisper to yourself, I'm done. And not because you don't love trading anymore, but because the pain has become too heavy to carry. This is not one of those motivational talks you hear everywhere, every day. This is real, this is me, and maybe this is you too. Number one, the silent pain behind the chart. Now, most people on the outside look at traders like we are living the dream life. They see screenshots of profit, fancy setups, and motivational quotes, right? Think we are making serious money, living on easy streets. But let me tell you something right here and right now. Most people don't understand. Behind every chart, there's a story of pain. I've had nights where I couldn't sleep, not because I was trading, but because I lost everything I had worked so hard for. Money I've saved for months, gone in just a single click. One emotional entry, one mistake that changed the mood of my entire week. Now, I've opened trading accounts, not one, not two. Each time I told myself, this time I will be different. But the reality is, most times it wasn't. I would deposit, trade for a few days, make a little profit, then lost it again and again and again. And every time the pain hit deeper. There were days I cried silently, right? Not because I was weak, but because I was tired, emotionally drained. You know that feeling when you give your all, yet it never feels enough. That's how trading felt sometimes. Number two, the irony of sharing signals. Here is the truth nobody wants to say out loud. Some of us share signals every day. We help others make money. We drop setups that play out perfectly. Right? People celebrate us, send thank you messages, but deep down, we are not even trading those signals ourselves. And why? Because we don't have the capital. Let that sink in. Same person guiding others to profit can't afford to take the same trades. It's really painful. I'm telling you, it's painful. Painful to see others living the dream you are helping them to build. Painful to wake up, analyze the chart for hours, give your community accurate calls, and then sit right there watching others make money off your analysis while your account stays completely empty. It hurts a lot. That is the kind of pain that cuts deep, not just financially, but emotionally. And sometimes I do stare at the chart thinking, what is the point of all this? You see traders posting massive profits with huge capital, and you look at your own account, right? It's just like $5, $100, maybe $200, maybe $200, and you ask yourself, am I even in the same market as them, right? It's crazy how this same market that brings people joy can bring others pain. 3, the illusion of success. Now, let's be real. Now, social media makes trading look so easy. Everyone flashing withdrawals, showing trading setup with luxury cars and big houses in the background, and here you are sitting in the small room with your laptop lagging, wondering if you are the problem. You start to doubt yourself. You start to feel like maybe you are cursed. Maybe trading isn't for you. But deep down, you know that is not true. You know how much work you've put in. You know how many hours you spent studying, watching charts move up and down like waves. You know how many strategies you've tested, how many mentors you've listened to, how many times you've promised yourself you'd stop. Yet, keep going. Because even in the pain, you still believe. Even when everyone else gave up, you stayed. Even when you had no capital, you still analyzed charts daily. Not because you had trades to take, because it became part of your life. That is the truth about traders that most people don't see. We don't quit because we are weak. We just get tired of fighting battles that nobody else understands. And this takes us to number 4, the mental war. Trading is not just numbers, it's a war, a mental one. I'm telling you, you fight your emotions daily: fear, greed, anxiety, frustration beside you on the desk, or you try to stay disciplined. But when you are losing, discipline feels like a luxury. There were days I'd lose a trade and just sit right there staring at the screen, and not because I wanted to revenge trade, but because I couldn't even process what happened. I would go quiet and not want to talk to anyone, not want to eat, because the pain of losing in silence hits differently. No one really understands what it feels to lose money that you felt certain about. You analyzed everything. You waited patiently. You believed the setup was clean, and still it goes the wrong way. That's when you realize this market humbles everyone. No matter how good you are, no matter how long you've traded, you will always face that reality. You are not in control. Number 5, I am done. There was a day I sat down and I said to myself, I'm done, before it turns into something else. I was mentally breaking. I couldn't focus anymore. Trading wasn't fun. It was pain upon pain. Every beep from mental trader triggered anxiety. Every loss felt like a personal failure. And I remember thinking, maybe it's time to let it go. But even as I said that, something inside whispered, don't give up. Just pause. Because the truth is, most traders don't really quit. They just need to breathe. They need to step back before the market eats them alive. Sometimes taking a break isn't weakness, right? It's protection. Protection from mental burnout. Protection from destroying your peace. Number 6, a message to every trader out there. If you are watching this and you've ever felt this pain, just know you are not alone. We've all had those nights where we stared at the ceiling thinking, why do I keep doing this to myself? And we all had moments where we wanted to throw the laptop away, delete MetaTrader, and move on with life. But remember this, your pain doesn't mean failure. Your losses don't mean you are not good enough. Sometimes the market just isn't ready for your breakthrough yet. All you need to do right here is to keep learning, but protect your peace. Keep pushing, but don't lose yourself. Am I understood? Trading is a skill, and of course, right? It's also a journey of patience, emotion, and self-discovery. And no, you are not crazy for feeling tired. You are not weak for wanting to stop. You are human, and humans can do anything. And that takes us to number 7, the other side of pain, right? You see, pain teaches you things profit never can. Pain humbles you. Pain refines your discipline. Pain forces you to see what truly matters. When I look back now, I realize the sleepless nights were not wasted, right? They built resilience. The losses were not the end. They taught me risk management. The tears were not signs of weakness. They were proof that I care. And if you are still here, still watching, still trying, then trust me, you are stronger than you think. Maybe today you don't have the capital. Maybe today your account is empty, or maybe you are the one dropping signals without trading them. But one day the story will change, and when it does, it will be beautiful, because you will look back and realize you didn't just survive the pain, you grew through it. Maybe today I feel done. Maybe today I'm tired, and maybe I just need a break. But this journey right here, it's part of who I am. Trading taught me more about life than any classroom ever did. It taught me patience, it taught me discipline, and most importantly, it taught me that failure isn't final. Every trader out there, don't let this market steal your peace. Don't let losses, right, define your worth. Don't let others' profits make you feel small, because your time will come, and when it does, you will realize every sleepless night, every silent tear, and every lost dollar was preparing you for that breakthrough moment. Until then, take care of your mind, your health, and your peace. At the end of the day, the chart will always be there, but you You only have one life. All you need to do right now, take care of yourself. Join my Telegram community. The link is at the description. If you want me to mentor you, the link is also at the description. For that being said,